everyone, welcome back to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Twyla, I'm the mom, and today we're going to talk about professionally whitening your teeth at home. So before we get into kit, I just want to ask the question, have you ever done any teeth whitening at home? I want to talk to you about Smile Brilliant. Smile Brilliant reached out to Claire and I about teeth whitening, and I was a little skeptical because my teeth, the enamel of my teeth are not bright white. When I was young, when I was a baby, I was sick, and back then the antibiotic that they gave to young children, they didn't know, but it ended up turning our teeth, and if you're my age, if you're over 40, then you know this, it ended up turning the color of the enamel of my teeth gray, and I have this ribbon-like through them. Now, when my baby teeth came in, they were dark gray. It wasn't because my mom let me have candy all the time. It was because of that antibiotic. Now, I take really good care of my teeth. So I try not to make this a long video. When they reached out to Claire and I, Claire was like all over it. Yes, she wanted to try it. And I was very honest with them. I said, hey, I don't have white teeth. My teeth are never going to be that bright celebrity white unless I get fake teeth. They're never going to be that white because of that reason. And they said, you know what, we're going to send you a kit, you try it, because everyone has residual coffee stains, tea stains, soda stains, wine stains, anything that is not clear liquid that you put in your mouth can turn your teeth color. So I said, okay, if you're willing to send me a kit, then I'm willing to try it. So they sent Claire and I both a kit, obviously this is mine, to try it, and it works. I don't know if you can tell by the huge smile on my face that my teeth are whiter. They are, let me put it this way, they're brighter. So it did remove the stains that I had on my teeth, but I use this system 10 times. They come, so you'll see right here, this is how it comes in this packet. You have, I'm not going to spend a whole time talking about this, but they have all of the things in here about whitening your teeth, and this is customizable. So you're not just putting a random strip on your mouth. You're actually, with their paste, you're making a mold of your teeth, and they're yours. So you're making this mold, you're sending it in to them, and they are going to send you back your own molds, your own little teeth trays, so to speak. And so you can see Claire in that video doing that. Now I didn't take a little video and I didn't take a picture of using, but they come in this syringe. This is the whitening gel. And I'm going to read verbatim what it says about the whitening gel. It says their formula is a 22% carbamide peroxide formula. It's a dental grade gel. So it can cause sensitivity. If you have a sensitive mouth, they also have desensitizing gel. Here's my tray. It comes with these little syringes. These little syringes you can get about 3 or 4 uses out of them. You just pop the little gel into there, and then you put it on your teeth. And you can leave them in there from 30 minutes to 3 hours, depending on the sensitivity of your teeth. Now for me, I could put them in and I could go about my day. I could go about my work and I could do whatever I needed to do because these are mine. And they didn't affect, they didn't, foam up or cause any kind of sensitivity to my teeth because I don't have sensitive gums. Now, Claire, she does have sensitive gums. So she did need to use the desensitizing gel, which is basically when you're done with your whitening, you wipe it off and then you put the desensitizer in your tray and then put the desensitizer on and wear that for a little bit so that it helps with your sensitivity to your teeth. Now, I will say the customer service for Smile Brilliant was great because any questions I had, they were happy to answer. Lots of tips and tricks. One of the tips was if you have sensitive gums, to wipe your gums with Vaseline with a Q-tip before you put this on, and that way the gel wouldn't stick to your gums. So that was a really great tip and worked for Claire. Now I'll pop in some before and after pictures right here so that you can see. It really worked for Claire just after one use. Her teeth are not as yellow. They were stained, and it did a really great job of removing those stains, and now her teeth are really white. Mine will never be that bright white, but I feel so happy looking at my teeth. They are a lot whiter, and you want to know how I know? Not from just my before and after, from after using this I've used this 10 times so far, but mine isn't what I've noticed, it's what my family noticed. I went to a get together with my mother and my sister-in-law and my niece, and they noticed my teeth. So that tells you right there that this is worth it. Now, this is $139, but you are getting your own, you're making your own. Let's talk about the duration. Like I said earlier, you can do it from 30 minutes to 3 hours based on your sensitivity level. For Claire, she had to use her first time, she could only do 20 minutes. So that was all that she could do was 20 minutes because she felt the sensitivity and she had to use the desensitizing gel. So, but as your teeth become more accustomed to it, then you can use it more frequently. You only do this once a day. This is not something that you do throughout the day. It's once a day. And if you have really sensitive, then maybe just do it once or twice a week. You wouldn't need to necessarily do it every day. So for me, I started out, it was just once a week. And then towards the end, I think I was doing it 3 times in a week the last week. Here's another great thing about it is that this travels well. I was a little skeptical because I do travel for work that an opened, this comes with a little thing here that you just pop off. And I was traveling with it and I thought that being in the air, it might do something like pop all the gel out or something. But it didn't. I just kept it in this bag, put it in a little Ziploc, and took this with me when I traveled on business. And I was able to use these when I was sitting in the hotel room after work, doing work. It's convenient. And it is much cheaper than going and paying several $100s a time for a teeth whitening session. And just so you know, my local dentist is not as expensive as everyone else, but I checked with them and theirs was $99 per visit. So for $139, you're getting many, many uses of this. You can reorder them. You can order replacement syringes. They come 3 in a box for $35. You can order 6 of the syringes for $55. And they last, like I said, you can get 3 to 5 uses out of 1 syringe. So you've got a lot of uses here. Now, here's a surprise. Smile Brilliant, they are sponsoring a giveaway. So if you would like to have your own set and whiten your own teeth in your own home, then check the description box below for all the information you need to enter that giveaway. It is open internationally, but only to the United States, Australia, the UK, and Canada. I will say this was a fun system and it's an easy system. So if you've ever thought about whitening your teeth at home, try out Smile Brilliant. I do appreciate them working with us and sending us our kits. They sent one to Claire too. So we were both able to try this as a team. I'm sorry she's not in this video. That girl is hard to nail down. Be sure to enter the giveaway down below. Smile fearlessly and come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.